Hey guys, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Shakira. Welcome back to another hair tutorial. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I did this beautiful tribal low ponytail hairstyle. It is very easy to do, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I am going to be creating 4 very small cornrows, 2 slanted cornrows at the top and 2 at the sides. I am going to be starting with the cornrows at the top, and I'm going in with my shine and jam and my rat tail comb to help me clean up my part. You guys know I love a clean part. A habit I have been doing for a while that makes my hair a lot easier to manage is always making sure I tie the rest of my hair out of the way. So that is what I did in the back, and I am going to do the same thing in the front when I'm finished creating my part. If you do not know how to cornrow, I have a very in-depth cornrow tutorial that breaks down the process in a way that will make you understand and learn a lot faster. I will leave it in the cards and also in my description bar so that you guys can check it out after watching this tutorial. So for the cornrows at the side, I am using some braiding extensions as my hair cannot give me the length that I would like for this style, and I am just using some leftover hair that I had from a previous hairstyle. These cornrows, I am going to be braiding them towards my face. Now that I have my cornrows out of the way, I am going to put the rest of my hair up in a low ponytail using gel and hair ties, and to ease the tension off of my edges, I'm going to put my hair up in sections. Now this step is totally up to preference. I just personally like to put my hair in sections, like I said, to ease the tension off of my edges. I have very thin edges and I do not want to cause much damage to them. If you don't have to do this step, you do not have to. And if you want to, protect your edges a bit more, then you can do like what I did and put your hair up in sections. So now that my ponytail is sleek, neat and nice the way I like it, I am going to be creating a ponytail in the back. So to give me the big curly ponytail that I'm going for this hairstyle, I am going to be using this Afro Kinky curly extensions from Betterlength. You guys know I absolutely love Betterlength. I use them in a lot of my videos that are not sponsored. So I was very happy when they reached out and wanted to collaborate again. So thank you very much, Betterlength, for sponsoring this video. All of the details about this here would be in my description bar below. Do not forget to use my code. I will have it on the screen and also in my description bar so that you guys can receive a discount if you decide to purchase. So this curly ponytail is 18 inches and it was very easy to style. All I did was wet the hair. I add some curl cream onto the hair. I let it air dry and then install it onto my ponytail. I also added gold strings to the corners at the top, and I added some beads on my side cornrows just to accessorize my hairstyle. You guys know I love accessorizing my hairstyles. So that is what I did to accessorize my hairstyle, but you can feel free to do anything that you want. And that is basically it. Very simple, very easy. I absolutely love this ponytail that I got from Betterlength. I got very little shredding when I was detangling the hair. It is fluffy, it is nice, and it is a lot quicker to create like this ponytail look. I usually use my clip-ins, but this is just a lot easier and a lot quicker. So if you're someone who does not like to spend a lot of time in your hair, this is a very good option for you guys. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. Make sure you comment and let me know what you think, how I did, and if you're going to recreate this hairstyle. And if you recreate this hairstyle, guys, please tag me on Instagram if you decide to share your videos or your photos, so that I can reshare you in my stories over on Instagram. We are 15k strong, and I really would like to see more of you guys over there because it is going to be lit, trust me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.